Hi, my name is Kyle. I'm with PMI McCaw Properties, and I get a question fairly often. What's the difference between a general contractor and a restoration company? So I figure the best person to answer that would be my restoration guy. So tell me, what's the difference between those two?
Right, so a general contractor and a restoration contractor are both considered general contractors. But the difference is that a general contractor is going to be doing things like new construction or remodels, of existing structures. A restoration contractor is a general contractor who specializes in reconstruction and restoration work, typically because of covered insurance losses. So fire damage, water damage, flood damage. Restoration contractors are good at going in, working with the insurance company, working with their pricing structure, and putting the house, just the damaged portion of the house, back the way that it was before the damage took place.
So if my tenant tears up the house, call general contractor or my make-ready guy. If my tenant has a fire in the house and it takes out a quarter of the home, I'm calling
Yep.
a restoration company.
Yep. That's right. So, or you have an owner that wants to get into like investment properties and flip houses. That's a general contractor. You have an owner who's one of their properties, hot water heater blows up and floods their house. Now you need a restoration contractor.
Right. Totally different skill set, in my opinion. So,
Yeah.
Gotcha.